Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss the pros and cons of working at a small family company. When looking for a job, it's very important to look at the type of company where you would like to work. In life, there are a lot of discussions about size, and in this case, we would say that it matters. Working in a big or small company, both has its cons and pros. Let's focus on the pros and cons of working in a small family company. Pros: job security. A small company will think twice before they fire you. As there aren't many people in the company, it will be harder to immediately replace you with someone else within the company. And just like any other company, getting a new employee that ticks all the right boxes is not easily done. Therefore, you will probably get more chances to stay with the company. Besides that, a small company is usually very loyal to its employees. If you continue doing what they hired you for, they will try harder to keep you, even if times get hard. More responsibility. As there aren't many people in the company, you will probably have more responsibilities. This can also translate into having additional tasks next to the tasks that belong to your function. This can be an advantage as you develop more skills, making you more of an all-rounder. Rewarding. Whenever the company books success, you can almost pinpoint what you contributed to it, which will give you a rewarding feeling. Feeling great means you will do better in your work and in your personal life. A win-win situation. Don't you just love those? We know we do. Contact. The contact with your colleagues may be intenser as it's just a few of you. This can be a good thing as you can get closer and get a better bond with your colleagues. This can turn your working relationship into a beautiful friendship. Besides that, you will probably hear and see more of your manager as there aren't too many layers of people between you two. This means you can showcase your talents more and get the recognition you deserve. Input. Working at a small company can mean that you may have more direct input. Because of the size of the company, your idea can get faster to the top. Besides there will not be as many opinions on everything, so your input will not be slowed down under the opinions of others. Cons. Accountability. When something goes wrong, it's easier to point the finger at someone as there aren't many people. Therefore, you can't hide and all your mistakes will be on display. Even though we encourage you to be honest and take accountability for your actions, we had to mention it. Less opportunities. As the company is small, there will be less opportunities in terms of promotions, trips to work abroad, etc. Not many colleagues. When working in a small company, there will not be many colleagues. This can result in you not finding your person. In a big company, you will most likely find your work bestie, but if there aren't many colleagues, you risk the chance of never really finding your place or fitting in the small group of colleagues. Thank you for listening. If you want to read the information, you can find the link to the article in the description box. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and to follow Banks and Insurance Jobs on our social media to stay up to date on the latest vacancies and career advice.